So one day, an earthquake strikes. What do? You get under cover. You get under shelter, like this sturdy bunk bed.
Hey, door friend.
Or
Let's go see the door friend now. You see the door friend? Very structurally secure. So if this falls, this will give you a bit of air, a bit of room to survive while emergency services hopefully will be coming down that road to find you, so you don't die. Another option is to get right underneath a table or a chair. Although I'm not sure how you get under a chair. You probably would if there was an earthquake. Over here is a window. You want to stay away from them. Windows are a death wish in an earthquake because they will shatter and kill you. So, check one. Get under some sort of structure. Chair, door frame. Step 2. Stay away from windows. You'll be alerted when there's an earthquake by a security, by an alarm, or more perhaps by you actually realising the ground around you is shaking and the ceiling is falling in. Let's go to another place. So now you're in the kitchen. What do you do here? Well, here you may want to get under another door frame, as before, or in my option, I could get under this little thing. Although I'm not sure it would protect me that much. It wouldn't kill my legs. Another door frame, or we could just head outside the building. There's, of course, probably your table. Get under that. But, again, probably not. Because you're going to be dead by then. So your best bet is to either get underneath the door frame or underneath the weird table thing. Okay, so I think that's about it now. Now you know what you're going to do in the event of an earthquake. Be safe.